How to repel household pests naturally. Ah, pests. They're the uninvited guests that make themselves at home and refuse to leave. But fear not, because we have a few tricks up our sleeves. In this video, we show you how to give those pesky pests the ultimate eviction notice, using nothing but the power of nature. Say goodbye to creepy crawlies and flying fiends without resorting to harsh chemicals. Here are some of our favorite natural pest repelling tactics. Number 1. Deter spiders with peppermint oil. Even though some spiders can be bothersome, most of them are harmless. But if you want to keep those critters at bay, there is a simple solution that will have them running for the hills, or at least out of your home. All you gotta do is mix a few drops of peppermint essential oil with 1 cup of water in a spray bottle, and spray it around windows, doorways, and any other openings that could be potential spider entry points in your home. The scent of peppermint is a natural deterrent for spiders, so they won't want to go anywhere near it. Plus, it makes your home smell great. Number 2. Combat mosquitoes with catnip. Did you know that catnip isn't just for making your feline friends go wild? It turns out this seemingly innocent herb is a more powerful mosquito repellent than the commonly used chemical, DEET. And the best part? You don't need to worry about slathering on those sticky mosquito repellents anymore. Just dilute a few drops of catnip oil with some water or another base oil, apply it onto your skin, and enjoy a solid 2 hours of protection without smelling like a chemistry lab. Number 3. Repel mice and rats with cayenne pepper. Oh boy, mice and rats can really cause a lot of trouble, especially when they decide to settle down in your kitchen or those messy rooms. Did you know that these critters can carry up to 35 different diseases? Yikes! But don't worry, there are ways to keep them away without resorting to poison or traps. One trick you can try is using a little bit of cayenne pepper, the same stuff we use to spice up our dishes. Apparently, mice aren't big fans of the spicy sensation it gives them. So go ahead and sprinkle some cayenne pepper in any spots around your house where you think those sneaky mice might be hiding. The spicy surprise should make them think twice about hanging around. Number 4. Dissuade ants with cinnamon. To deter ants, start by locating where they're entering your home. Then grab some ground cinnamon and sprinkle it along their paths and entry points. The strong scent of cinnamon will discourage them from advancing. You can also sprinkle some on surfaces, like countertops, to cover their scent trails. This will make it difficult for them to navigate, dissuading them from settling down in your home. Reapply as needed, and remember to maintain cleanliness and seal any openings. Number 5. Scare off centipedes with peppermint oil. If you're looking for a natural way to ward off centipedes, peppermint oil might just be your secret weapon. Like spiders, centipedes absolutely detest the strong scent of peppermint, so it makes for a great deterrent. Just mix a few drops with water in the spray bottle and spray around entry points like doors, windows, and any cracks or openings where centipedes might sneak in. Don't forget to hit areas where centipedes tend to hang out, like damp basements, dark corners, and crawl spaces. Number 6. Keep flies away with cloves. These pesky pests love to hang around food waste and can spread germs and diseases all over the place. To keep them under control, it's important to practice good sanitation habits and use exclusion measures, such as installing screens on windows and doors to prevent them from getting inside. If you want to take it up a notch, place a small bowl of dried cloves in each room. The strong smell of cloves will keep them away, and you'll notice fewer of them buzzing around. Number 7. Deter cockroaches with bay leaves. These aromatic leaves contain certain compounds that cockroaches find unpleasant and overwhelming. To use as a natural repellent, all you need to do is place them strategically in areas where cockroaches are likely to hide or frequent, such as kitchen cabinets, pantry shelves, behind appliances, or even in cracks and crevices. Just keep in mind that bay leaves alone might not be enough if you have a full-on infestation. But for those occasional roach invaders, they can be your first line of defense. There you have it, fellow defenders of domestic tranquility. Armed with this arsenal of natural repellents, there will be no more sacrificing your health and the environment to keep your home pest-free. Thanks for watching. If you thought this video offered some useful information, give it a like and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.